Orthocenter of the triangle with vertices root 3 comma root 10 root 7 comma root 6 root 5 comma root 8 is how much? So here clearly we can observe that root 3 comma root 10 root 7 comma root 6 root 5 comma root 8 are equidistant from origin. Suppose if I take the vertices A root 3 comma root 10, B root 7 comma root 6 and C root 5 comma root 8. So if O is the origin, we can say that clearly O to A, the distance from origin to the point A is under root of root 3 whole square, 3 plus root 10 whole square is 10, so which is equal to root 13, and the distance from origin to the point B is equal to root 7 whole square is 7 plus 6 root 13, and from O to C is equal to root 5 plus 8 which is equal to root 13. So here clearly we can observe that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. So which implies that your origin 0 comma 0 is the circumcenter. Origin is the circumcenter. Let me write C is nothing but 0 comma 0. Okay. And what is the centroid? Centroid of the triangle. Centroid of triangle ABC. Say capital G is equal to root 3 plus root 7 plus root 5 by 3 and root 10 plus root 6 plus root 8 by 3. So this is the centroid, and if you know the circumcentroid centroid, we can find its orthocenter. So we had a relation between the orthocenter, 9-point center, centroid and circumcenter as ONGC. ONGC. So from orthocenter to centroid and to circumcenter, centroid divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. So let us use this concept. So centroid is equal to 2 times of circumcenter plus 1 times of orthocenter divided by 2 plus 1 3, or also we can write 3 times of centroid is equal to 2c plus O, or orthocenter O is equal to 3g minus 2c. Okay, orthocenter O, not origin 0 comma 0. So we can write 3 times of orthocenter is equal to 3 times of centroid, that is 3 into this part root 3 plus root 7 plus root 5 minus 2 times of circumcenter. Circumcenter is 0 comma 0, so 2 into 0, this is x coordinate, and similarly y coordinate also 3 times of root 10 plus root 6 plus root 8, that comes root 10 plus root 6 plus root 8 minus 2 times of circumcenter will get 0 here, 2 into 0, so which is equal to root 3 plus root 7 plus root 5 comma root 10 plus root 6 plus root 8. So this is the orthocenter, so we can go with option